Hi students, welcome to our channel Science and Mathematics. I am Christopher. So far we have discussed in sixth class 4 chapters are completed. This is a new chapter, fifth chapter. Sixth class Science chapter 5. Materials separating methods. So different materials we have to discuss in this class, in this lesson, and separating methods also, how to separate different materials. So we will discuss in this lesson. And so before going to enter into the class, if you visit my channel for the first time, please subscribe and tap the bell button. So in this lesson, what we are going to learn, what we will going to learn, or what we are going to learn is, that is the learning outcomes. What are the learning outcomes? That means what are the aspects we will understand and what are the things we're going to learn in this class. That is the learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will get some knowledge. So what knowledge you will get? So that is, people will be able to understand the making of objects. So here, making of objects, okay? How to make objects? We know that different objects are there. How objects are made? So you will can understand in this lesson. Different objects made up of in different methods and materials also used. So that is, in this lesson, after completing, people will be able to understand the making of objects. And second one, identify the different states of materials. Identify the different states. We know states of materials: solids, liquids, and gases. So different states, okay, we will identify in this class. That means after completing this lesson, you will understand what is solid and what is liquid and what is gas. You can identify. And the next one, utilize separating methods in a daily life. Okay, this is completed. This is utilize separating methods in daily life. So not only knowing about separating methods, after knowing about separating methods, you will be able to use in your daily life. So then only there will be a use of the knowledge. And next one, explain separating methods with suitable methods. Okay, suitable methods. Explain separating methods with the suitable methods. Okay, how we can separate different mixers. That means which method we can use. In this class we will discuss. After completing this lesson, you will be able to explain separating methods with the suitable methods. How we can separate this role, you will get after completing this whole lesson. So today we will discuss the first part. Okay, so I will tell you a small story. Listen carefully. Siri, a 6th class student, so she was sitting in her room and studying. Siri sitting in her room and studying. Okay, so what happened? Suddenly she heard a loud noise. Suddenly she heard a loud sound from the kitchen. She was studying in the kitchen. She heard a loud voice from the kitchen. She went to the kitchen and saw a cat running away. Now you have a question. Can you guess? Can you guess what could have happened? Can you guess what could have happened? So maybe from the kitchen, if the cat is running away, what could have happened? Cat came to drink milk or eat something. So when cat ran away, all the vessels fallen down. Then a big sound came. By hearing this sound, Siri went to the kitchen. So after watching that whole surroundings, that means that kitchen, she saw all the utensils fallen, some are broken, some are not broken, and food is fallen. These are all scattered. Okay, so now here we have to identify which objects are broken. Okay, which objects might have broken and which objects might not have broken. Okay, so let us write here. So can you guess what could have happened? Some vessels are fallen, some are broken. Okay, some are broken, some are not broken. Some food is fallen on the floor. So here what we have to write down? Objects that would have broken. Okay, so other side, objects that would have not broken. That would not have broken. Okay, objects that would have broken and objects that would not have broken. So let us guess. It is a wild guess, just guess only. So some example. For example, we know that tea cups are there. A teacup would have broken. And this side, stainless plates. Okay, stainless steel plates are there, stainless steel plates that would not have broken. So you can also add some here, glass jars might have, okay, glass jars would have broken. And tumblers also, glass glass tumblers might have broken because it is made up of glass. Okay, glass tumblers, you can write here glasses. And if there is any ceramic plates, pingani plates like that, we can say ceramic plates might have broken. This is a ceramic plates. And this side, objects that would not have broken, stainless steel plates. Okay, stainless steel plates. Steel plates, they make a sound, but they don't break. Okay, they don't break. Plastic bottles. Here you can write plastic bottles, and steel bowls. If there is any steel bowls, etc. You can also add some more. Okay, saucer, porcelain things, earthen pots if there is any. Okay, earthen pots, that means matti kondal if there is any. Okay, porcelain cups, you can also add porcelain cups. Okay, so glass bottles also you can add, glass jars you have written, glass bottles also you can write here. So these objects would have broken, these objects would not have broken. So we can guess. So now another question is, why some objects have broken? Okay, why some objects break and some don't break? Okay, don't. What is the reason? So let us learn in this lesson. Okay, so what is the reason behind this? Can you tell why some objects break and some don't? Because we know that different objects made up of different materials. Okay, material is different. Okay, that is why some break, some don't. For example, stainless steel plate, it's not okay, and glass bottle. Glass is a material, stainless steel is a material. So there is a difference in the materials, preparation of the material. That means the material used for preparing that objects. Okay, which material is used for making that objects, that decides which objects will break and which objects don't. So for example, body of your pen, if you see your pen, for example, if you see this body of your pen, this is made up of, this is the body made up of plastic, and a tip, this tip if you see, this is made up of metal. Okay, so like that different materials are used for making different objects, for making different objects. So like that, so many objects are there. For example, here we have an activity 1, finding the materials used to make different objects. Finding the materials used to make different objects. So page number 46, NCERT textbook. So you can open page number 46, activity 1. Activity 1. What is that? Finding the materials. Finding the materials used to make different objects. Used to make different objects. Okay, different objects. So here is one table is given for your understanding. First one is given. So a list of things in a house are given in the table. So first one, name of the material from which each object is possible to made up of. And if you don't know which material the object is made of, discuss with your friends and find out. Okay, so you can discuss with your friends also. So here, for example, a door, a towel, eraser is given. For example, first one, door, D-O-O-R, door. If you see the door, so what are the materials used to prepare door? So you can see, everybody knows a wood. First one, wood, and for handles, can use metals. Okay, and bushes, rubber. Okay, plastic, rubber or backside. You open the door, so without touching the wall, there will be a rubber. We can arrange rubber, and again paint for colorful. You can use paint. So like this, 4 materials are used to prepare a door: wood, metals, rubber, paint. Okay, so like that, towel. If you see towel, what are the materials used to prepare a towel? So it is made up of thread, no? So that is, if it is a cotton towel, you can use a cotton. Cotton is a material. Silk means silk, you can use silk towel. That means either cotton or silk or any other fiber you can use. Next one, eraser. So what are the materials used to prepare eraser? So eraser is made up of rubber. So using rubber. And fourth one, knife, kitchen knife. So it is made up of metal. Handle may be wood or plastic. Can use plastic handle or wood. This is the handle, but knife is made up of metal. And some knives without handles. That means handle also made up of metal only. Example, this kaima, chicken, mutton people, those who are selling this chicken, mutton, they have only metal, no handles. Okay, with metal only the knife will prepare. Next one, mirror. Mirror is made up of which material? Glass. Okay, what is it? Glass. Next one, shoes. Okay, shoes is made up of, so we can use different types of shoes are there. Leather shoes. Okay, so for sole, different materials it uses. So leather, plastic. Leather, plastic, and some stainless steel also. Okay, synthetic, plastic, already plastic written, steel, etc. So steel is some for designs purpose like that. Okay, shoes we can identify leather, plastic, synthetic, and steel. And next one more, water bottle. So which material is used for water bottle? Nowadays different bottles are watching. So water bottles are made up of either plastic, and metal bottles also came, either metal or plastic. Okay, and next one more, pot. Pot is made up of, so plastic pots are there, plastic. Okay, earthen pots also nowadays not there, but in olden days earthen pots, matti kondalu, earthen pots, and stainless steel also. Okay, stainless, that is also stainless steel. So that means any one material you can use, either plastic or earthen pots or stainless steel. So these are the different objects here is given. You can add some more objects and which material is used. You can also elaborate this list. Okay, elaborate this, add some more objects and made, okay, which materials is used to made these objects. So from this we have some questions. Which objects are made up of only one material? That means by using only one material in this list, which objects are made? For example, if you see towel, only one material, either cotton or silk towel or cotton towel. And eraser also made up of only one material. Okay, knife also made up of only one material. Mirror also made up of only one material. Okay, and again anything else? water bottle. This water bottle also made up of only one matter. Pot also made up of only one material. These are all made up of only one material. And which objects are made up of more than one material? Next question. Which objects are made of more than one material? The remaining. So door is made up of more than one material. Here shoes, these two are made up of more than one material. And how many types of material can be used for making chairs? For example, here one more object I am telling, chairs. For preparing chair, how many materials we can use? Chairs are three types. Metal chair, you can use only metal. Wooden, okay, you can use only wood. And plastic. Okay, three types of chairs we can see: metal chair, wooden chair, and a plastic chair. Okay, three materials. That means by using only one material we can prepare either metal chair or plastic chair or wooden chair. So like that. So list them in the space given below. Okay, so you can write which material is used to prepare these different chairs. You can also write. So from this we have learned some objects made up of only one material and some are made up of more than one material. So in our daily life we are observing so many materials like chairs, tables, okay, etc. These are all cycles, bullock cart, car, utensils, clothes. These are all made up of, some are made up of only one material, some are made up of more than one material. So like that, you think and find out which objects made up of only with only one material and which objects are made up of more than one material. So activity 2 is given, so you can find in the objects made from different materials. So now before first we have written this objects are given, what are the materials is used to prepare, we have written. Now there is a activity, okay, table 3 page number 47. Here material is given, for example metal, plastic, so like that glass, different materials is given. So by using metal, what are the objects we can prepare? Okay, so the list already some objects their names is given, so you can add some more object names. For example metal utensils is given, so you can add a metal chair, metal tumbler, metal scale. So like that you can expand this table. So this is the homework activity 2 page number 47, that a table you complete in the textbook and take a picture and send to me. We'll meet again in the next class. We'll continue. Thank you.